So today we're gonna play Who Knows Each Other Best Challenge. So the first question is, who farts the most?
Without any doubt.
Second one, who is more stylish? Who have more clothes?
Useless.
And who spend lots of money on unnecessary things? Fifth question. Who is more annoying? I guess everyone is annoying her.
Not me.
You are what?
And who laughs a lot? Everyone, but she laughs the most, I
Yes.
guess. And who is short temper?
This girl.
No, I guess no one. I'm not even sure.
All of us.
Who is more sensitive?
That's too much.
Who eats a lot? Who parties a lot? What? And then who flirts a lot? Blue and green. Who's more stingy? No one. Everyone is so kind.
Yeah.
No sure who.
We are like this.
Wait. Who's the best cook?
Myself.
No,
Me. Oh my god.
This girl, alright.
The best chef.
Who loves gaming?
I don't play games.
This girl. And who is more obsessed with red lipstick? Okay, the last question. Who is the laziest? Everyone.
But I'm not.
Not me.
Yes.
Oh, God in a bad romance.
Please start.
Oh, God in the bedroom, man.
Oh, God in the bad romance. Oh.
I'm waiting.
God in the bedroom, man.
Oh. Go in the bedroom.
Oh, God in the bedroom, man. Oh.